I'm going to show you one of my favorite teaching websites. It's called Piktochart. So while I've used this in the past for other grad classes or just to make infographics to show my class, I really like when my students are able to use it to create infographics, presentations, posters, flyers, different things like that. So I also sponsor National Junior Honor Society at my school, and those students also use Piktochart to create flyers to put up for fundraisers and different events that we're hosting around the building. So it's an awesome website. Once you create an account, and it's completely free for you and for students, your dashboard will look like this. You can see that I have one of my projects in here. But over here, you can see all the different options for what you can create. If you click on one, let's say infographics to start, this is what I mainly use this for. You can see there are a ton of different templates, and these templates could not be easier to use. You just choose one and then you enter your information, and the pictures and graphics stay the same, or you can swap in your own pictures and graphics as well. So this is definitely a very easy way to make an infographic. You can also do the same thing with presentations. So there are different themes to the presentations, tons of options. Can make posters. I've had my students do this before for a topic we're learning in class. Reports, so those usually include graphs of some sort. Flyers, like I said, we do this for events and fundraisers around the building, a lot of the time with my NJHS students. And then you can also create a new of any of these things, and that just means rather than using a template, you can start fresh by yourself and choose your graphics, choose your fonts and all of that. You can also customize any of these templates to kind of make it half template and half your own, which is really nice. But if a student would like to get creative and start fresh, they're allowed to do that as well. So just opening up something that I have made myself on Piktochart. This is something that I made for a past grad class. So you can just see that it was really easy to use. I used the template, but I kind of shrunk things a little bit and added different graphics here and there. Up here, you can see that you have different settings and kind of customize it to how you want. But I love Piktochart because it's so very user-friendly for students. I teach seventh graders, so it's very simple for them to use. I think even younger kids would be able to use it because the templates just make it so incredibly easy and fun to make any kind of these presentations. So that is one of my favorite websites to teach from, and it's called Piktochart.